In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom. And what you'll do is you'll go to this site, classroom.google.com. And once you do, you'll ask you for the first time to continue, and you'll continue. And then this is where you'll be able to create or join your first class. So for these purposes, I am creating a class. And then it says all this. So what you'll do is you'll click on accept and then continue, and then you can set up a class name. And then I'm writing demo class, subject demo room 100, and then I'll create my class. And it's taking a while to create my class, and I'm just going to click got it. And then after that, I can communicate with the class. I can create and schedule announcements, respond to students' posts. So if I go under Classwork, so stream is where you'll be able to see everything that's happening within your classroom. And this is the first thing that your students will see. And then here is where I'll create the classroom, and then I can also link to a Drive folder and then also link to a Google Calendar. So I'm just going to go to create assignments, and then I can also assign quiz. I can reuse existing post, give them study material, give them questions, and then select topics to talk about. So topic is how to use Google Classroom. And under this, I can create assignment. And here, I'll post create demo for using Google Classroom. And then I can also drag and drop classwork. And here I can easily add options of anything. I could link to a another YouTube channel or another YouTube video. I can link to an external information, external site. I can attach a file or just link to a Google Drive. So there are a lot of options that are available here. And here I can filter who will be seeing this. Right now I don't have any students, so it's just defaulted at all students. And then I can ungrade this, or I can give them 100% grade. Seems like if I do this, I can't change it back. I can make, okay, so I can type it and update it, or it could be out of 10. And then due date, I can select the due date. So it could be a week from now, April 3rd. And then topic could be any topic that I create. So for now, I'm going to create, for topic, I'm going to select this one. And then for rubric, I can create a rubric, and I can select different options depending on what I need. So this is where you'll be able to customize the rubric. And for now, I'm just going to leave it with these options right now. And then click create. And I'll also be able to create docs, slides, sheets, drawings, or forms. So let's do create a doc. So it gives me the option to do that right away. And this is where I can add additional information. So I did that. I created that document, and then now I'm just going to go back and I can make copy for each student if I have individual students. But now I'm just going to leave it the way it is and then assign it. So now it's assigned to all my students. And if you go under stream, you'll see that I posted a new assignment. You'll be under the stream. And then the other thing is, this is the teacher information, grades. This is where you'll be able to see the grades for your students. And these are all the to-do list, how many people turned in, and then I can mark it as reviewed to see, indicate that this has been done. Also, I have the option of uploading a photo, updating the class pictures. If you have pictures with students, you can do that here as well. Now let's join this class from the other end. To join a class, what you'll need to do is you'll need this code right here, the class code, to join this class. So what I'll do is I'll try to join to this class and show you from the student's view. So I'm going here to join the class, and then I'm entering the class code, then clicking join. And now I'm inside the class. And then if I go under Classwork, this is the view that I get. I'll view that. I can click here to view the assignment. And then here, I can look at the assignment. I can upload my work and then mark it as done. It's very important that the students mark this as done. And also, I didn't attach anything, but this was complaining that I didn't upload anything. So this is submitted. And then this is, I wish there was an option to toggle here, but it doesn't. So I'm just going to go back, click that back button. And then it says turned in. And then now I'll show you what it looks like from the teacher's view. So do a refresh here. Click here. Seems like one turned it in. And I can see who turned it in. And here, so this student, I can assign them point, 10 out of 10. And then if I need to make any modification or they need to check on the grade they have received, I can click on the return and then return it back to the student. So I'll click return and we'll go back to the student. So that's how you set up the Google Calendar, Google Classes. It's very straightforward and super easy to set up. So hope you like it. And if you want to delete, so let's say you don't need this class anymore, what you can do is click here and then click on archive and then archive this class. And any files that you have, you'll be able to view this under the Google Drive. So I hope you'll like this video. If you like it, definitely give me a thumbs up. And I hope you enjoy making these classes for your students. And also, I feel that it's very straightforward, very easy to use, and you can link multiple resources, multiple studies within the Google Classroom, and also your students could see their work and submit it pretty easily. And this is free to use, guys, so definitely give it a try. And also don't forget, if you have school email address, you can set this up under your school's email address. But for now, I just created one under my Gmail account, but I'll show you. It says if your school must sign up for a free G Suite for Education account before you can use Google Classroom. And let me just show you what it looks like. So this is, I don't have a school, I don't have students, but if you did, this is where you will set up G Suite for Education. So here you'll enter the information, and then it will walk you through how to set it up. Your institution's name. Let me just walk you through. I'm not signing up. I'm just walking you through a couple of steps, and then you'll set up your website name here. Oops. And then you can set up the location and number. So just walk through this. If you have a school and you want to sign up through your school's email and your school's information, let's say you are doing this with multiple teachers, then this would be the best approach. But either way, this is what it looks like once you get into the classwork. This is how it's set up. So this is what you will be using. All right, guys, definitely leave a thumbs up and leave your comments below if you have found other uses of this tool. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.